Tablescape, I'm going to start with a red runner. And this one, I'm going to come in with a gold woven placemat.
Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures, where purple reigns supreme, honey. But in today's video, I'm going to be working on a beautiful Valentine's Day tablescape. So stick with me to the end to see the final result. Oh, and if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? You better go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell, honey, so that you will know when I upload a brand new video.
With my white dinner plate, come in with this gold leaf bowl. Napkin rose on each place setting. And let me just show you again quickly how I do those roses. We're going to fold our napkin on a diagonal, so, and then we're going to take it and roll it from the bottom. Fold it in. Roll that about 3/4 of the way. I'm going to start at one end and we're going to roll again. And once we have all that rolled up, we're going to take our end and just tuck it in. And then we're going to take these two flaps and separate them. And when you flip it over, there you have your napkin roll. I'll place that inside each bowl. And I'll come back in with my gold and white coasters and our gold thrifted glassware. And that looks very beautiful. For my centerpiece, I'm going to come in with this glass fishbowl vase in the middle. From my yard this morning, I have some beautiful pine branches to give that nice natural feel to our tablescape. And lastly, I will add our rose topiaries to the table. This time I am going to scatter some red rose petals across our place settings and around the table. Unfortunately, I do not have red candles, so these burgundy ones will have to go. And there we have it, a perfect Valentine's Day tablescape. So let me light these candles and I'll bring you in for a closer look. Hope you enjoyed what I put together for you today, and I hope it gives you inspiration. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time,